Here's how to take apart and clean a PS2 Slim. So to do this, you're going to need some rubbing alcohol, a Q-tip, something that blows air, a Phillips screwdriver, and a small flathead screwdriver. Start by flipping it over and removing all the pegs. Then take out all the screws. Now flip it over and start removing it from the back. So you can start off by blowing out the inside of it. Then blow out the fan like this. Now dip the Q-tip in some alcohol and start rubbing the eye. Put it back together. You can blow out all the ports on it too. Thanks for watching, like if you enjoyed the video.